Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to create stunning, interactive presentations directly inside Figma, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process of making your own Figma slides. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to whip up a polished, customizable presentation, ready to wow your team, your clients, or your classmates, all without ever needing to hop over to PowerPoint or Google Slides. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Figma and navigate to the Figma Slides section. Now, whether you're brand new to Figma or a seasoned designer, this part's simple. Figma Slides is designed to streamline the presentation process right inside your favorite design tool. Once you're on the Figma Slides page, you'll see two main options in front of you. You can either begin from scratch, which is like staring at a blank canvas and letting your creativity run wild, or you can choose from a variety of pre-made templates. Templates are fantastic if you want a solid starting point. They give you tried and tested layouts, color themes, and design elements, making it super easy to focus on your content and not get bogged down in design details. For today's walkthrough, let's select a template. Just click on any template that catches your eye, maybe one with clean lines for a professional vibe, or maybe something a bit more colorful if you're aiming for creativity. Templates are a real time saver, plus they ensure your slides all feel cohesive. Once you've picked your template, you'll usually see a button or option to add all the slides from that template into your project. Go ahead and do that. It might take a few moments as Figma loads in all the template slides and assets, so just give it a second if you see the loading spinner. Don't worry if it lingers for a bit. Figma's just bringing in all the components that will make your slides look great. Alright, once everything is loaded up, you should see all your slides, each one already laid out, with placeholder text and images ready for you to personalize. This is where the real fun begins. You can double-click on any text element in your slides to edit it. Replace those default headlines with your own topics, type in bullet points relevant to your content, and don't hesitate to move or resize any text boxes if it helps your layout. Maybe you need to flesh out a key idea or condense some text so it's not too busy. Don't be afraid to make the slides your own. And if you want to make your slides stand out even more, you can swap out template images with your own photos or illustrations. Just drag and drop an image from your computer directly onto a placeholder image, and Figma will automatically mask it for you. You can adjust the alignment, tweak colors, or even animate certain elements if you want to go the extra mile. Remember, the goal here isn't just to fill in the blanks, but to shape a presentation that clearly communicates your message and fits your style. Customizing is where your story starts to shine through, just like organizing your thoughts before a big talk. So with all that done, you now have a fully customized, visually engaging presentation, all built right inside Figma. That's all you need. Super simple, incredibly flexible, and best of all, you can keep iterating as your ideas evolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about Figma slides or want to share what you're working on, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.